Let's talk about the power of attitude. What is attitude? Well, is it the mindset? Is it how you see other people around you? Or is it the way you think about life? Now, what is attitude? Attitude is how we think, feel, and respond to people, situation, and challenges. Now, there can be different situations, and as per your attitude, you may react in a different manner. Attitude reflects our mental and emotional outlook, not what happens to us, but how we react. The two people can face the same situation and respond completely different. This difference is the attitude. You may have a missed deadline. One can see this as a learning opportunity. An other person can blame external factors. The key lesson is attitude is what matters. And a positive attitude is what is desired by everyone. An attitude is not something that you cannot learn. You can train your attitude. It is your thoughts, your actions, and the outcomes that shape your attitude. The mindset, that is the belief and interpretation that start the chain from perception to result. You feel emotionally triggered by thoughts that influence motivation. You observe actions and habits that follow feelings and produce results. The outcomes that reflect the accumulated impact of thought, feelings, and actions. Now, what are different types of attitude? There are two different types of attitude. One is positive and the other is neutral. A positive attitude is all about growth mindset, optimism, solution focused. So once you get to a problem, you try to come out with a solution. You try to find answers to the question. You don't just get away and leave the way it is. You try. You have a positive approach towards the problem. So what does positive attitude really do? Well, it encourages learning and collaboration. It will take you towards your goal. If you are a person who wants to achieve something in life, a positive attitude will help you to achieve that goal in life. However, there are people with neutral and negative attitude. They are hardly bothered about what's happening around. Even if something good is happening, they'll think about the negative consequences first. Now, this reflects the way they think, and this negativity somewhere becomes the part of their personality. And slowly and steadily, whatever things comes their way, they will always look in the negative manner. That is negative attitude. So, what is the power of positive attitude and why you as an individual should build a positive attitude? Well, if you have positive attitude, you can handle stress and failure better. Let's suppose in your career you might not get the promotion this year. So if you have a positive attitude, you will see this as a learning. You will find out all the shortcomings and will prepare for the next year in a better manner. This is a positive attitude. Also, once you fail, you learn from your mistakes. You build more confidence and get motivated to do better next time. If you have a positive attitude, you build better relationship with people because you think and see the things in perspective in positive manner. You also perform better at work and life. You see opportunities in the problems and you have a realistic optimism. You believe that whatever is happening has to be in the best possible manner. On the other way, negative attitude is a silent killer. It will slowly kill the charm, the attitude, the positivity in you. Self doubt, fear of failure, blaming others, poor decisions, lost opportunities, everything is thinking negativity. Talent without right aptitude is wasted potential. Now, if you as a person always thinks in a negative manner, you need to identify this pattern. Reframe yourself and not try to blame and push things on the others. Set small experiments and try to build your confidence. Take feedback from others and reflect how your thinking is getting into the negative aspect. and how this is going to hamper you personally. Now, what is attitude and what are circumstances? Now, what happens? There are different circumstances. In fact, these circumstances comes in the life of every person. You may have your parents today, you may lose them, but how you handle their loss, how you take the responsibility of the family is your attitude. So an event or a setback which you cannot fully control, but once it happens to you, how you come out of it shows your attitude. It is a choice of response that you select, you decide that will make the best decisions of your life. So the results shape more by your response than the circumstances. Now, once you learn that, you will start building skills and becoming a better person each day. You will develop confidence and become even better at your work. So, attitude is the invisible force. How to build a positive attitude? Start morning with positivity and energy. Try to solve problems, and if you're facing problems consistently, be resilient and come up with positive solutions. Perception and trust from others can only become good for you once you have better relationship and build your credibility. Your career growth and relationship together with positive attitude will open opportunities and door of connections. You can reflect, what kind of attitude do I carry every day? Am I a positive attitude person or do I have negativity in me? One sentence to set focus before the day. Short pauses prevent reactive decisions. Let's suppose you are having a conversation with your boss and your boss is very angry on you and he starts shouting. Now, the way you react to him will determine how is your attitude. You can either listen to him quietly and respond by taking a pause with all humility and not counter him the other way. This is how you're going to make a big difference in your personal life, and you will slowly tend to master the art of handling people. So try to develop positive attitude through gratitude, coming up with solutions than complaints, surrounding yourself with good positive people, learning from failures instead of fearing them, and having controlled self-talk and inner dialogue. Overall, attitude is all about your personality, how you look at things, and there is nothing that can be better to have a positive attitude. And it is you who has to develop this attitude in your life.